we're going to walk you step by step on how you can install a Peachtree City Foamcraft monument sign. The first step you need to do is find your location and make sure that you follow all local ordinances. The next step may seem very simple, but it's imperative to maximize your sign's potential. Determine where you want your sign to be, and then make sure that you position it at that exact location. Once you've placed your sign, lay your sign down on a clean area so that you can prep the site for installation. The next step, you're going to align the pipes with the holes of your sign, and then you're going to install the pipes using Great Stuff or another expandable foam product. For your next step, while you're sliding the pipe into your sign and you're spraying in the Great Stuff, make sure that you slightly turn your pipe so that you can ensure that the adhesive is a tight fit.
More turn.
Now that wasn't too hard, was it? Now that your posts are installed, you have the perfect template to start digging. Now that we're done with that, we only have a couple more steps to go. Now we're going to lift up the sign and place it where we want it to be in the holes and prepare it for permanent installation. We're almost there. Now that we have the sign upright in position, we're going to pour in the cement for permanent installation. Around your monument structure, and you're all done. Remember that at Peachtree City Foamcraft, we make monuments a breeze.